I am going to teach you a unique pork recipe that is easy to prepare yet produces tasty and delicious results. Hello and welcome to Cook with Antoniette Tea. On this channel, we post simple recipes that makes your life easier, saves you time, and makes sure that you eat delicious food. So let's get started with our recipe. We are going to start by boiling the pork until the water evaporates and leaves the meat tender. We are going to serve the pork with ugali, so let's prepare the ugali water. Now that our pork is ready, we are going to cook ugali, and we are going to start by putting the water on the gas to boil. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed shooting it for you. Also, please make sure to try out the recipe and like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. You can also share it with your friends so that they can try the recipe as well. Until next time, keep watching other videos and stay safe. Thank you.